Hi, students. It's me again, Ms. Ruth, volunteering with the public schools in Oakland, California. So today we're going to talk about dotted notes. You see the note with a dot after it. Now you recall from our other previous lessons that every time we did something to this note, like adding a stem to it, coloring it in, adding a flag or more flags, every time we did something it became worth less. First it was a whole pie, then it was like a half a pie, and then a quarter of a pie, eighth of a pie. So what if you wanted to make the note last longer? What do? Well, you add a dot after it. And when you add a dot after any note, that dot is worth half of what the note was worth. So when this whole note, being worth 4/4, gets a dot after it, that dot there is worth 2/4, half of this whole note. Okay? So suppose you take that half note, there's the half note right there, and you put a dot after the half note. That dot looks just like this dot, but it's after a half note, so that dot is worth 1/4 of the pie. So now this half note with the dot is worth a half note plus a quarter note. So it keeps going in the same manner. We take that quarter note, if we put a dot after that, that quarter note is now have an eighth added to it. So there's the quarter plus the eighth for the dotted quarter. And then we could keep on doing this. Okay, every time we add a flag, we just add more flags now. So the eighth note with a dot after it is worth an eighth plus a 16th. Okay, so that's all you need to know about the dotted values. We'll discuss how we're going to count them later on when we have time signatures. So see you next time.